Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So welcome back again my channel, Pro Jose Malen. So now start altering crane, 100 tons crane. The model crane is a Liebherr LTM 1100 5.2. So now this crane now still driving for the crane. It's a 5 axle. This crane is 100 tons. So still for driving the altering crane. So still for driving. You turn the first to hit it, you return for the turn the right. So still for driving on the crane. So this is a job of the crane operator, altering crane. Turn the right. Turn the right. So this is for driving in the crane, 100 tons. This is a 5 axle. The tire is a 5 axle. So now too much wind speed, too much dust coming, so always using for the safety glass, because with wind speed too much high, then dust too much coming. This is a desert area. So now I already get the remote. This is using for remote of the outrigger. So I need to extend the stabilizer or extend the outrigger of the crane. So now I use for the remote or Bluetooth of the crane. So crane operator is stand or the near, always the stand or position the crane operator the near in the 1 and 2. Near in the 1 and 2. So this for the right side. So position the crane operator in the right side in the 1 and 2, the stabilizer or outrigger. So this for procedure for using for the remote. So this is a remote or Bluetooth of the crane. So extend the stabilizer the left side 3 and 4. This the number is 3 and 4, the outrigger or stabilizer. So need the jack extend and jack out of the jack cylinder. So I need the jack. So I need the jack out of the jack for outrigger or stabilizer. So crane as operator, I need to check the level of the tire from the ground. So the front is I need 1 inch or 2 inch for the from the ground in the tire. So I need to check level of the crane, the position of the crane for jack up. So now finish for level of the crane from the ground. So I need to return the remote in the brake in the driving cuff. So now go the climb for the operating cab. So as operator, go inside of the operating cab. So now go inside the operating cab. So start of the operating cab. This for using for operation is a boom of the crane. So ready start of the crane, waiting for a few minutes. So ignition in on. Okay, you need the little close of the operating cab. Close the door. Operating cab. So now, still waiting for restart of the crane. So sometimes check the operating cab. Use for PK or control unit. So I need the up or raise the cab and raise down the cabin. So raise down. I don't know, this down the cabin. This for using for sometimes raise the cabin and down the cabin. So have a control for how to down. So okay, this for control for the unit control. So now na boom up of the crane. So using for the boom up of the crane and minoise waist down and auxiliary waist down. So I need a boom up waist up. So boom up, so proper the boom up of the crane is 72 degree. So boom up of the crane, still boom up of the crane. Okay, and the swing the right. So swing the right and boom up of the crane 72 degree. Okay, so go the right side, swing in the right side. So boom up of the crane. So the crane is a position of the crane is back side. So prepare the down the cylinder of the down the cylinder the counterweight. So I need the pickup of the counterweight. So now, so still prepare in the I need the pin swing lock. So in the down the jack cylinder counterweight. Okay, so still down the cylinder outrigger, cylinder the counterweight of the crane. So today I need the pickup of the counterweight. I need the pickup of the counterweight of the crane. So now waiting for within few minutes, because too much time for have a few minutes for down the cylinder of the outrigger, no, cylinder of the counterweight. So now check the counterweight. Okay, you see this is the counterweight of the crane. This is 26 tons total of the counterweight. Actually this full counterweight of the 100 tons is 35 tons. So now using only for only 26 tons, because this crane is 100 tons, is a 5 axle, is a new model crane. It's for the crane is a 2018 model. This is a Liebherr crane. So now it's down of the auxiliary and menu is down. So I need to extend of the crane. Okay, extend of the boom of the crane. Extend the boom. Okay, this for extend of the boom of the crane. So still extend of the crane. This is a boom of the crane. Okay, so okay, this finish for still extend only a little bit to extend the boom of the crane. So I need the hoist up, the main hoist and auxiliary hoist. So I need the retract the boom of the crane. So retract boom of the crane. Okay, retract. So retract. So now I need to down the counterweight. Go the center and the swing of the swing is 0 for down of the counterweight. Counterweight I need to down. Okay, check the counterweight. This for the 26 total. This total. This counterweight is a 26 tons. But actually the full counterweight this crane is a 35. So not only 26. So down on the counterweight of the crane down. You can see slowly down of the counterweight. Okay, down counterweight of the crane. Okay, swing. I go the swing and lock and need the up the cylinder of the counterweight. I need up the cylinder of the counterweight. Counterweight, yeah. Okay. Okay, this is for the down for counterweight of the crane. After down, so I need to unlock up the cylinder of the counterweight. Swing the left. So crane operator in the boom down of the crane. Also for the swing of the crane. Okay. So boom down hoist off. Boom down hoist up the hoist in boom down of the crane. So boom down. This is a boom. The boom down of the crane. Okay, so I need the lock, the swing lock. Very important for a swing lock. Okay, for secure the crane. Okay, so sa operator ang brochure sa idimali. So down the boom down and hoist up the auxiliary and minoise. So I need a bypass before boom down because now touching the anti-toe block. So I need use for the bypass of the crane. So I need up, hoist up the auxiliary and hoist up the minoise. This main hook. This main hook. Okay. So now we need to add the block. Now using for the bypass. Now we need the down of the crane. Boom down 0 degree. The proper boom down of the crane. Okay, now is get for a remote or Bluetooth of the crane. So now already finished. for boom down the crane. So now I need the stabilizer or jack outrigger. I need the retract. So crane operator now in the position of the crane operator in the left side in the number 3 and 4. This for a proper. So operator always stand or position the crane operator in the number 3 and 4 stabilizer. So retract the outrigger or stabilizer. Crane operator assist always look for the outrigger stabilizer. So using for remote, this is a proper using for a remote. So crane operator assist the steel pipe because sometimes touching the fiber side. So go the right side. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel. So now retract the 1 and 2 stabilizer. This is the right side. So this is the crane operator. So now already retract the stabilizer outrigger. So now I need to set up the suspension in the remote. This is for suspension of the crane. So I need the Liebherr or the suspension of the crane. This for ready for traveling. This for ready for traveling of the crane. So I need the suspension. I need up. Okay, so I need up the crane. So shukran or thank you so much for watching my video.